we get? A hamburger. That's yours too. You like that pink bone, huh? Yeah. Look what else you got. Chicken. I like how both times she dropped the pink bone to get the new toy. Thank you. That's yours. What else did you get? A little yellow bear. Yeah, these are all yours. What else did you get? Something whip around and kill. Kill it. She's so excited she doesn't know what to do. Now, we also got you a Lambo, which you can get later. Look, your favorite bull penis. No. Can't get that right now. I will give you a pepperoni stick now. There you go. She doesn't know what to do with all this stuff. We also got you some little sausages. You can have these later. What else? Some more little sausages. Yeah. Is that something you like? Did you get good things? Did you get good things? She doesn't know what to do. It's just so many things. I like how every time I pull out something new, she dropped the previous thing. I was like, I'll get that now. Yeah, you kill it. You kill that little raccoon. Someone likes the pink bone. She's like, I remember the first time I almost got this pink bone, but we got something else we got to pick up.